Hello and welcome. Today I'm at the Dragon with all the SundaeCup guys. Well, mostly Fitz.
Is that not like the entirety of SundaeCup though?
Like I said, I'm at the Dragon with the SundaeCup crew. Nothing official, just a bunch of guys hanging out, having fun, hitting the Dragon. I've been here all day already, so this video is definitely gonna be out of order. You know, since I've already shot a bunch. I've lost count how many times I've gone back and forth, back and forth. So many times I'm about out of gas. So yeah, Dragon's a lot of fun. This car's a lot better than it should be. Granted, I bought the wrong wheel and tires. I bought my Hot Boy wheels and tires, which don't let air into the brakes, so my brakes are overheating a lot. So my brakes are a little squishy. I'm all season tires, so it's kind of hard to keep up with the rest of the guys. My normal RT, I have RT 660s, but they're showing threads, so I need to buy new ones.
Ross, it's warm, right?
Yeah, it's very warm. You should totally jump in first to feel
I'm so glad that it's so warm.
Yeah, it's great.
Hot.
I fucking hate life. Jump off the end. He's gonna do it.
Order, man. Okay, come back up.
Woo!
Oh! Oh, but I thought the water was perfect. Why are you getting that?
Oh, it does. It feels good. Not at first.
Yeah.
Hey, it's the next day. Unfortunately, I had to cut my weekend short. I don't got no brakes. And being on a drag with no brakes isn't very fun. It's a little sketchy. I might have had to use the e-brake a few times going around a few corners. But made it back to Matt's place in one piece. So originally I was planning on staying here Friday and Saturday, but only got to do one day, which I did the entire day. Like, we did so many laps of the Dragon, which is probably why I don't have any brakes left, and these wheels don't have ventilation. So yeah, they're pretty much toast. My brake fluid's boiled. I don't even want to look at the pads. I look at it when I get home. But I still had an awesome weekend. I didn't get as much footage as I was planning, because I was planning on doing most of that today when more cars show up. Because Friday it's only a handful of us were there. Most people were supposed to come for today, for Saturday. Even though this car is slow and I'm like on all seasons and didn't hardly have any brakes, this car was still so much fun on the Dragon. I was just eating it up, you know, still faster than a lot of other cars that should be a lot faster than it on the Dragon. But big shout out to Matt for letting me stay at his place and also being kind of our little tour guide for the Dragon for this weekend. Had a lot of fun, but I'm gonna load the car up on the trailer and head back to Nashville. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and come back for more. And until next time, peace.